Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Explorer Sport Trac. It's right here behind me. Why don't we just take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Chrome grille definitely adds a sharp feel. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with hand-cooked Dynapro tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, temperature, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sport Trac on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.